Hey guys, so my experience with the company was very good. At the beginning, they come to me in the hotel with the car, so it was easier for me. And actually, they was really kindful with me. There was really good people with me, and we go me and my manager to the factory. We see many products that our company needs, and we really like it. And after that, we go to the lunch, and it was my first time I try Chinese food or Chinese traditional food. I really like it. And after that, we come back to try the machines, and I see that we need at least 7 machines in total, and I think the company can fix them for me. And the company also it was successful for me. It was a successful visit for me, and the company was really they act really good with me, and I would like to come back.